So here I want to talk about ternary if-else operator. Ternary if-else operator is available almost in all languages. C, C++, Java, JavaScript, C#. So why not Python? Okay. So is the ternary operator available in Python? So yes, it is available, and if you stay till the end, I will show you how to use ternary operator in Python. The ternary if-else operator. So let's jump into the topic. So I'm using Visual Studio Code for that. You can use whatever you like. Okay. So let's open the Visual Studio Code. I think now you are able to see my screen. In Visual Studio Code, click on Start on Visual Studio Code example. Okay. So here I'm just putting some integer I equal to equal to int. Let's take that integer from the user. Okay, input. So we will use input and enter number. Enter number. Okay. Here, if you will get some value. Okay, you have to. If user is inputting an integer, you will get that integer inside I. The variable I will contain that integer. So here, what I'm trying to do is I want to display something to the user based on whatever the input given by the user. So I will store that first inside a string. So S is a string, and I want to store that inside a string. So in case of Java, C, C++, or C#, or even JavaScript, okay, we have the ternary if-else operator with the same syntax. Okay? There is no difference between the syntax. So here, let me show you whether this syntax is available in Python or not. So here, the syntax is first we put the condition and then we put the question mark. Okay? After the question mark, we write the true part. So if the condition is true, the true part will be the value for S. Okay, true part will become the value for S. And if the condition is false, okay, there will be a colon. And after the colon, I will write the false part. That false part will be the value for S if the condition is false. Now I will just write the condition. So condition here will be I equal to 1 question mark. Okay, I equal to 1 question mark. So if you want brackets, I will put brackets. I equal to 1 question mark. And the true part, if I is equal to 1, then what should be the value for S? So S will contain 1. Else will contain not 1. Not 1. Okay. So let me make it capital. So by seeing this error, red underline, anyone can tell that this type of syntax is not available in Python. So what we can do is what to do. This type of syntax is not available in Python. So this question mark colon symbol is not available in Python. So I will just remove that question mark colon part. Okay. So I will just cut it from here. Okay. Or I will just delete it. Okay. So here I have to write true part at the beginning. Okay. 1. And I have to say if I is equal to 1. True part is coming at the start. And else, okay, I can use else directly here. Okay, it's not like I have to use colon or I have to use question mark. Okay? It's very easy syntax. So, but be careful. You have to write true part at the beginning, and then you have to write this. If I equal to 1, your condition will go at the second, and third part will be the false part. But it is regular if-else syntax. Just your true part, your if part. Okay, part inside the if block is coming at the start. The true part is coming at the start, and your false part is coming after the else. Your condition is coming after the if. Regular type of syntax. Now let me just run it. So just don't tell me that it's regular if else. No, it's not a regular if else. Okay, it is trying to put a value inside S. Okay, it is storing value inside S. Let me print it. Okay, print S, because whatever the value. If you go to true part, the true part is not just executing, that value will get stored inside S. So here if you go into the else part, okay, if the I is not 1, it will go to the else part, and that value not 1, okay, not 1, that string will get stored inside S, and you are displaying that string in the next step. So for running the program, I have the F5 shortcut. I will just use the F5 shortcut. So I have to enter some integer. Okay, it is saying enter the number. Okay, it's saying some error has occurred. What's that? Okay. It was using some commands and it created a problem. Okay, so when I pressed F5, the Visual Studio Code has used some command. So my program was thinking that this is input, and it has taken that input, but that input was not integer. So that's why the error is occurred. So I will just put F5 one more time. And and here below. Okay, if you see below, I see enter number. I will put 1 and it should give me 1. So I will run it again. I will press F5 one more time, and here enter number. I will put 2 and hit enter button. So it is saying not 1. It is not 1. That's it. Okay. So once again, I would like to tell you, this is not regular if else. Okay, it is used for getting a value. Okay, and that value will be stored inside the variable. Okay, this variable will get that value. So if you want to get a value depending on the condition, just use this ternary if-else operator. Okay, it is available in Python. Don't say that ternary if-else is not available in Python. It is available in Python. Just make use of that. And if you like this video, just like the like button, and just use the like button. Just click the like button. Just subscribe. Hit the bell icon. And how this is working for you. Okay, just put the comment below video. I will see you next time. Also, okay, I forgot to mention, I have a Facebook group for you. Just click on the link in the description and join my group. So I will be posting some cool tricks every day there. Just be there. And if you are already inside the group, just don't worry, you are with me. And see you next time.